This is my 21 Mustang GT base. I don't have the performance pack gauges or anything like that, but I always liked the look of them. So I found one on Marketplace for a good price. So I picked it up. Been reading on Google or been reading the forums. People say I gotta, cut into the harness on the radio. Um, but I found something cool. I read something cool. I had to take mine apart to find out. But you can see where I'm at. You can see that there's a plug there. That's just plugged into nothing. It's the plastic. It's just holding it. So yeah, all you gotta do is reach under here and pull it out of the. I'm gonna get it from the top too. But yeah, there goes the plug for the gauges. So you don't need to splice into anything. Um, Let me plug it in. I'll show you real quick. One hand, sorry, a little tough. Sorry, I know. Let me pause it real quick and plug it in. Okay, I got it plugged in. I still have to trim some of the vents off. I'll block that off with some foam or something. Yeah. Anyway, I got it plugged in. Let me turn it on here and I'll show you. So, let me turn off my light. The light's on. Let me shut it off real quick. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, they work. So cool. Thought I'd show you that. Save you some time. Hopefully this helps you out.